Well, welcome, entrepreneurs. Can you believe it's already July 2024? We have 6 months left in the year, and now is the perfect time to take charge and master your monthly goals. So I want you to join me today as I guide you through a step-by-step plan designed specifically for entrepreneurs who work from home. And let's make the second half of the year our most productive yet. I'm Dale Bates. I've been an entrepreneur working from home for over 20 years. I'm passionate about helping entrepreneurs like you improve your time management and reduce that overwhelm in today's fast-paced business world. And I specialize in goal setting and productivity systems, so entrepreneurs like you who work from home feel less stressed in making money in running a successful business. And today's video is all about having a step-by-step guide to setting those monthly goals that are so extremely important in running a successful business. Now, I'd love you to take a minute to subscribe to the channel. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell so you could be notified when I upload more videos. So as an entrepreneur working from home, creating a routine of planning your monthly goals is really an essential strategy to staying focused on achieving your goals. Why? Well, not only does it define your clarity and your focus, it really provides you with a clear direction ahead. It keeps you from getting distracted by those non-essential tasks. So also, when you know what needs to be achieved, you can allocate your time more efficiently, avoiding that procrastination, which we all do. And with a monthly routine of setting goals, you create a more structured work schedule and preventing all that burnout, which is so important for us as entrepreneurs who have to keep all those plates spinning in the air. You know what I'm talking about. So let's get into this simple but detailed guide to planning your goals every month. All you have to do is follow the template page in my 2024 planner, and it's called the Goals and Action page. Now, this is a strategy that's part of my Purposeful Planner system. And if you want more information about that system, click the link in the description below where you see those words, Purposeful Planner System. When you have a template to follow with specific prompts to help you plan, you're setting yourself up for success. And if you look at the template, the first prompt says, my goal this month. So this is when you want to identify the area of your business that you want to grow. Do you need more customers? Do you need increased sales or higher income? But clarifying your focus on which of these areas you want to set a goal to grow your business and writing it down is really going to motivate you to achieve it. You know, Brian Tracy says the exercise of writing down your goals is a test. The test is to determine how badly you really want to achieve these goals. And the more you can discipline yourself to write and rewrite your goals, the clearer you will become about what you really want, and the more convinced you will become that it is possible for you. I love that. So when you consider those three areas that we talked about, like more customers might mean creating a new lead magnet or having a visibility plan for the next 6 months. Higher sales might mean creating a new course or doing more follow-up with customer service. Higher income might mean raising your rates or doubling your marketing efforts. Get very clear on what you really need in your business and write down your goal. Now, prompt number 2 on the Goals and Action page is to create the action steps to achieve this goal. And I recommend that you fill out this section with a list of top revenue generating activities. We call them RGAs. Now, these are the tasks that actually contribute to achieving your goal. I want you to think of activities that lead to closing a sale. Or some examples might include booking private appointments or promoting your online courses or following up with potential clients. One of my RGAs is to invite potential clients to book a productivity breakthrough session. Now, in this session, we create a roadmap for success, which gives you a crystal clear vision of how to plan your daily business activities. And you're going to walk away after having this session with me with a strategic 5-step action plan to use every week, which ensures that you are going to feel confident in control of running your business like a well-oiled machine. Now, if this sounds like something you need, well, click the link below to book your free breakthrough productivity session. You making a list of revenue generating activities is really key to achieving your goal for the month. Now let's move on to prompt number 3, which is to write down 3 priorities. Now, how often do you get distracted and go down those rabbit holes that waste your time and energy? I know I do. Well, when I write down my 3 top priorities, they act as a guide for me for the whole month. And if I find myself getting overwhelmed or procrastinating, I review these 3 priorities I want to get done this month, and it just pulls me back into action on achieving my monthly goals. Now, let's move on to prompt number 4, which says important connections and events for the month. Here's where you will list important connections like networking opportunities or meaningful conversations with specific people. Now, by meaningful conversations, I mean conversations that lead to sales. And I have a specific video on this, which I'll link below for you. But you might want to write down someone you want to get to know, or someone to be a guest on your podcast, or you be a guest on their podcast. But this is about building relationships because they are key to growing your leads and growing your business. Even just a list of people and organizations you want to connect with for the month will inspire you to follow up to build those relationships. Now let's move on to prompt number 5, which is planning social media content. Now in this area, I recommend you write down a plan of just a few bullet points or maybe even themes that you want to promote for the month. This is really going to help you create blog posts, YouTube videos, reels, and carousels across all your social media platforms. It is basically your social media marketing campaign for the month. For example, in July, I'm promoting my online course, How to Craft a Jaw-Dropping Client Getting Message. Now, there's a link below for you to check that out as well. With that, I will be creating a blog and social media posts all around this course. And that's all written down in my planner on the goals and action page. Social media, can be so overwhelming, but having a theme or a couple of ideas and writing them down just keeps you focused on promoting yourself and your business. Now, the last prompt on this page is to set a revenue goal for the month. So I want you to take a minute to go back and review the prompts that you've written down so far. What did you write down for your goal? The action steps that you need to take to achieve that goal? Your 3 priorities? The connections and events you will make, and your social media content. And from all this, estimate what you think a realistic revenue target might be for you. Now you've completed this very simple step-by-step guide. It's simple, right? But it's really powerful because you now have a roadmap to master your goals for the month. And all you have to do is just follow the prompts on the goals and action page template. So this is planning with purpose. And all the distractions and challenges we face as entrepreneurs working from home really get pushed into the background because we have this monthly plan to refer back to all through the month. And it's this template that gives you that practical step-by-step reminders that you've written down that really motivate you to work on achieving your goals. So I hope you find this guide to setting monthly goals helpful. I want you to comment below if you're ready to become a goal-setting superstar and set goals every month for the rest of the year using this method. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.